Irene here, hammering it down. There goes a good hurricane force gust. Our trampoline's next door. Over at the Zamora's house. Wow, that was hard gust.
I want to film.
It's on the tree here when it comes in. We're going to get a heavy gust.
What tree?
The little baby.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, push the button and go in the backyard today.
It's Hurricane Irene. Ah! Huh? The whole entire... Everywhere's flooded, actually. This ain't gonna happen, Mom. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you, but our backyard is totally flooded. All back there. So are the neighbors back there. Woo!
Hey, point it up that way, Brittany. Over there, look at that.
All coming, whoa, from the ocean side. Getting some heavy rain here. Getting soaking wet, not to mention. So our garbage can flipped over from the wind.
We're looking at the backyard. Stripes to the back of our fence. It's disgusting. And we're behind closed windows and all. We can still hear all that. Isn't that something? My gosh. This would be enough for me. Cooking cinnamon rolls, trying to pass the morning time. Well, the only window we have unexposed, that trampoline over there, if you can see it, is ours. It used to belong in our yard, and I don't know, I went to visit Jennifer and them. We have some water all through our backyard, and we're still getting plenty more rain. We're getting the backside of the eye right now. It's gusted up to 100 this whole storm, but can't complain, except for the traps, of course, as usual.
We've had some big limbs break off here at this front tree, and they're laying here.
There's Kirby on the phone, the weatherman.
It's
the end of this.
Yeah, it's blowing south.
Look at it go.
Boy, look at that. That was... Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And our poor trees are going to go.
Yeah. We got to be getting gusts at least hurricane force. Maybe a little over. It might be a little over. You're going to get it too, I think. I think it's rotating.
Oh yeah, maybe I will open a little bit just for the...
See, look at our trampoline.
Look at that. This is our backyard. This is the storm as it goes.
Mom,
Where is it going?
tied our trampoline down.
I know they did. They didn't want it to go flying again. There's a trampoline over there somewhere. Anyway, that's our backyard. It's getting pretty flooded.
Pretty. Oh.
Everybody's inside. Well, I better close the curtains. The wind shifted. We're getting the back side of the eye. But look at the trees, the way they're going. Look at them go. Look at it go, look at it go, look at it go. We're getting some serious gusts. And it's usual flood zone, but today it's just a little more flooded than usual. Look at that. Look at that. And McDonald's was closed. Chickens. Ashley had to go to work. She works at the hospital, so it's her luck. It's still blowing out here. We're going to go down by some Burrow Beach and see what's happening down there. We don't know what's down there, but look at the water on the side of the road. This is the back side of the hurricane, the baby Hurricane Irene. We still have a lot of water though. Look at that thing go. Toby's going a little faster than necessary. I can't hardly can for it. On the Indianapolis 500. But we're almost to the beach. We're coming to it. These are people's yards. Nice, lovely.
Hurricane Irene here. We're down in Burrow Beach. It's dripping. You can see it's nasty.
Look at the ocean.
Ocean's coming over. All the picnic things are gone.
Look straight down there.
All water down there. Down the street. Ocean water coming over. ship.
Goes all the way out to the ocean. Look at that. Little baby. Going all the way out. There's the water. Oh yeah, isn't it black? Okay, go ahead. Look at that. You can't really tell, but man, the waves are just going crazy out there. Not even get the drift of it. That's all water. Look at that map. Right. They really want to go swimming today. Look, there's no horizon. The ocean's up. Catch you later. Bye-bye, sombrero.
We're up at the 7 Mile Bridge. Camera crew. They're filming. His mom and there's Brittany. Look at the ocean. Look at it coming in them docks and all.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, did you zoom in? Zoom in?
Yeah, I've zoomed in.
Camera in the jacket.